In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on toolbars in AutoCAD 2026. We'll explore a few different methods so you can choose the one that best fits your needs and current setup. Whether you're bringing back familiar tools or exploring new ones, these steps are designed to get you up and running smoothly. First, let's delve into the Toolbars menu option. It's important to note that this feature might not be available in all tool sets, but if it is, it serves as a straightforward approach. Begin by navigating to the command line in AutoCAD. Here, you'll want to type in menu bar and set this value to 1. This action enables the menu bar, which gives you access to an array of options. Once the menu bar is visible, you can click on Tools and then proceed to Toolbars. You'll see a sub-menu where you can select which toolbars you'd like to turn on or off. This method is quite efficient as it provides a visual context for the toolbars you are selecting. If you already have a toolbar visible on your screen, there's another easy path to access additional toolbars. Simply right-click anywhere on the existing toolbar. This action will trigger a menu where you can decide which toolbars to activate or deactivate. This right-click method is particularly handy for quick adjustments, allowing you to customize your interface with minimal disruption. Now, let's talk about using the Toolbars command, which offers another robust method. First, go to the command line in AutoCAD and type toolbar. After pressing Enter, you'll be prompted to type the name of the toolbar you wish to bring up. For example, if you're looking for modifying tools or drawing tools, you could type Modify or Draw. Alternatively, if you're still exploring which toolbar you need, you can enter All to list all toolbar options. Once you've entered your choice, you'll then decide between Show or Hide, depending on your needs for that toolbar. Selecting Show will display the selected toolbar, while Hide will remove it from view. As you go through these steps, remember that tinkering with these settings allows you to tailor AutoCAD to better suit your workflow. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer, knowing how to maneuver through these options can significantly enhance your productivity. With practice, turning toolbars on or off will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on your designs without stumbling over setup logistics. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide proves helpful as you explore the rich features AutoCAD has to offer. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.